everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. You know, since we're all stuck in our damn houses and, you know, I'm kind of sick of it already. So, haha, fuck you, coronavirus, I hate you. And your mom's a hoe. I'm going to be shaving the tails of my eyebrows off because it's something I've wanted to do for quite a while now and I just haven't got around to it because I'm like, what if it looks stupid and then people will see them and I look stupid, but as you know, the UK is in like at least a 3-week lockdown and could be longer, and I think that's more than enough time to grow these bad boys back out. So I'm going to take the plunge today with this nice little eyebrow shaver thing. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's one of them things that they make for women to make it at like this is just to shave like your mustache and your eyebrow hairs off, but they're like sleek, womanly. Ugh, that did not sound sleek and womanly to me. Probably running out of batteries, but the show must go on, so I'm going to start. Okay, so this is fucking scary shit. I have never ever done anything like this to my eyebrows before. I hope they grow back, haha. So I'm probably just gonna go like that. I don't know. We'll just go from the bottom first. You can hear it struggling already. Oh my god, I'm actually doing it. Look how white it is under there. Jesus, I need a suntan. I'm pretty sure that one's done. Can't really tell because this bit of hair just like flicks down. I have to cut that bad boy off. But I think it's done. Looking cute. Well, I can't really see it. Doesn't really make much difference. My face is so white underneath my eyebrow, man. Okay, next one. Let's go. Okay, so you can definitely tell that this little bitch is struggling now. Do I need to take more of this one? Yes, I do. Let's have a proper look at this from far away. I mean, they don't look too bad in my opinion. It's so weird just looking at my eyebrows like this. Okay, I'm gonna shave a bit more off this one, I believe. Oh, I'm so sorry guys if you can hear my PS4 in the background. If you want to add me on PS4 during these trying times, my name is Anais Nate. I play games like Red Dead Redemption and sometimes Fallout 76. And then sometimes I play GTA, like if there's people on GTA, I'll play GTA. But people are mostly on Red Dead Redemption on my game, so that's the game I play the most. I'm not sure what else to do right now. Are they done? They're a bit thick, aren't they? I've got bare dandruff falling out of my eyebrows right now. Why does it look so square? Yeah, but I make my own flick, don't I? You know what, I'm gonna try put some. I'm definitely going to try putting some stuff on here just to see how it looks, you know, with stuff on. But I think that's as far as I'm going to go with this. You know, I'm brave today, but I'm not that fucking brave, okay? I'm not brave. I'm not shaving my whole eyebrow off because if my eyebrow doesn't grow back, then at least I still got this bit. Now we're going to fill them in and see if I can make it look semi-decent. Woo! First I'm going to take the P. Louise Butter Block base and, well, that's the only thing I'm going to take. I'm not doing the rest of my makeup, okay? I'm not doing the rest of my makeup. I need I need, what do I need? A mirror, that's what I need. Let's do this. Does that look alright? I can't see it properly. Well, I can see it right in this mirror, but in my opinion, it's like the far away that's gotta look good. Because people don't stand this close to you, do they? What the fuck's going on here? Why is that not turning black? Yas! Well, I think it's a yas moment. Yas, bitch! Now that I've drawn that on, I can actually cut that little piece of shit off. Because obviously they want to follow the path of my old eyebrows and they ain't here, honey. They ain't here. I like that. I don't know if it looks good on me though. I just look more evil. I just look more evil, I guess. Okay, that's straight at least. Oh my god, what is going on here? That was so gross. I look I look very angry. I look like a villain in a Disney movie. I don't regret doing this because, you know what? You gotta do something crazy once in your life, and I'm not dyeing my hair because I've never dyed my hair before, so virgin shit right over here. And I'm not gonna take my whole eyebrow off because that is just too much dedication. But at least I've done something that I've always wanted to do. Finally. Because, I don't know, makeup will be so much better now. So, there we go. That's that's me with my eyebrow tails shook off. I wonder what tomorrow's day of quarantine shall bring. Please, Amber, don't shave your hair off. You took too fucking long growing this, my boy. You took too long. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share with your friends. I don't mind. Got a little tinny here for the quarantine. Copperberg strawberry and lime is my baby. Okay, that just made it all frothy in my mouth. Was not worth the aesthetic. I don't bloody know anymore. I'm just going crazy. Please tell me what you guys have been doing to keep yourself sane for these few months, because I'm dying over here. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, just this is my username right there, and I'll probably see you guys later because I got nothing else to do in this harsh climate. So I hope you have a lovely day and a wonderful evening, and thank you for watching.